21. Now we will discuss about informed or heuristic search strategies. Okay, what is informed strategy? Informed search strategy, it uses extra problem specific knowledge to solve a problems faster. It is more efficient than uninformed strategies like BFS, because in uninformed we don't have any extra knowledge about the problem. In informed search strategy we will have the extra information so that we can reach the goal node faster. Okay, that is very useful in informed search strategies. Okay, now we will see about the best first search overview. Okay, it is a search method that selects node based on an evaluation function. Okay, f of n is the evaluation function. The node with the lowest f of n is expanded first because it's closer to the goal. How it is implemented means it uses a priority queue to track of nodes in ascending order of f of n. Heuristic function is it is a function that estimates the cost from node to the goal. Okay, in example, in a map, h of n could estimate the straight line distance to a destination. Heuristic guides the search by ranking option to decide which path to follow. These are the key points about heuristic. Means in goal node, heuristic value will be 0. Okay, it is most common way to add extra knowledge to search algorithm. In heuristic searching methods, there are 3. One is greedy best first search, A star search, and memory bounded heuristic search. Now we will see about greedy best first search. What is greedy best first search? It is a searching method. It chooses the node closest to the goal based on the heuristic. Okay, idea like it expands the nodes that seemingly likely to lead a solution quickly. How it is evaluated means it uses the heuristic function, that is f of n is equals to h of n. Both the evaluation function and heuristic function will be same in the greedy best first search. Okay, it h of n means same. It estimates the cost from current node to the goal node. Key features of greedy best first search is it focuses on the closest node to the goal and ignoring path cost so far. Fast but not always optimal. Okay, advantages is simple and often quick and useful when the heuristic is good. Disadvantages is may fail to find the optimal solution and can get stuck in the loop if not handled properly. In exam you have to means you have to remember these 3 points mainly. In greedy best first search, the evaluation function and heuristic function will be same, and heuristic is what it guides the search by estimating distance to the goal. Works well for the problem like route finding when the heuristic is reliable. Now we'll see one example. Okay, greedy best first search. This is the example, and in this A is the start node and G is the goal node. How you can find out G is the goal node? Because it has the heuristic function value 0. Okay. And then in greedy best first search, what we will see, f of n is equals to h of n. That is evaluation function is equals to heuristic function. Okay, first we'll start with the root node. Here A is the root node, and then the function of the evaluation function and heuristic value will be 40. This value is under heuristic function cost test. Okay, then from A we can visit the neighbors node, that is D, E, B. Okay, we'll see their heuristic values. That is f of B is equals to h of b, that equals to 32, and then f of d and h of d will be 35, and f of c and h of c it will be 25. In this 3, which is the shortest like heuristic function is 25. We will see the next. We will take a path from A to C because it has the value. It has the shortest value, like shortest cost. So somewhat it has the lowest value. So that can be closer to the goal node. So we will take the node C. From node C, we should explore their neighbors again. Again, f of f is equals to f of s is equals to, and h of f is equals to 17, and then f of e is equals to h of e is equals to what the value 19. Okay, in this both, which is the value is lesser, 17 is the lesser. That which nodes? F nodes. Again, from C we will travel to F. Okay, then from F we should find the which is the shortest path. Okay, their neighbors node we will see. That is f of d is equals to h of d, what 35, and then g of f of g is equals to h of g, that is 0. Then finally we got the goal node. So we will stop here. Okay, and the path we should write from A to C, then C to F, F to G. This is our solution. Thank you guys.